What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Brennan Billion here, and I wanted to give you guys a little update on the prolific survey statistics that I managed to download and then display here in this Google spreadsheet. Here is how it looks. Here's the meat of the data, a total 197 surveys. Now this is older, this is slightly older data from last month. This is my official fully updated stats. Total earned, this should be shortly below $200. You can see right there I did a little bit more surveys than this 197 total, but that earned me 152 pounds, and the average survey was about 0.81. The max was 5.86. The lowest was 0.10. I only spent less than a minute on the lowest, and hourly times the amount of hours I spent on these surveys was about 6.80, unless my math is off. And then in bonuses, about $5 in bonuses. And my final day for this particular data was June 30th. My first day, my first ever survey was June 7th, which I took 26 minutes on, surprisingly. You could look at the amount of time that I spent doing all of that. Some of these are blanked out because I returned them, and I chose to just omit that data instead of having it mess up the calculations. Out of the 197 for this current data, I had 152 approved, 35 awaiting review, and I returned 10 surveys. I did not get rejected at all. Even now, I have yet to be rejected, and even more surveys have been approved, which is really good. This is 22 days worth of data. So for the first day, let me change this. Whoops, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, so 5.47 pounds the first day. The second day I went a little bit harder. June 8th, 21.28 pounds. The third day I didn't do much, 2.4. Let's look at some really long days here. Let's check out the 15th. June 15th. Looks like a pretty sturdy streak. 7.43 pounds. The 16th I spent even more time. Get that calculation right here. 19.45 and 22, so June 22nd was 15 pounds. This is just to give you an idea of like how much you can earn per day. Obviously some days were drier than others, and I know sometimes I didn't really feel like doing it, and I've like the more matured I became on the platform, the more selective I was in taking surveys. Like as you can see here, I mostly took things that were over 50 cents, which is honestly it's the majority of surveys on this site because it's a pretty good site. My last day, according to this data, was about 13 pounds, you know, if you round that up. So yeah, that's like a general idea of how much you can make. Literally the first day, what did we say, like 5? About 5, and then the second day I took way more and I got 21. So make of that what you will. I'll show you the the summary once again, and yeah, whether you're trying to pay a Netflix subscription or just have additional income in your pocket. And as always, stay hydrated, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time.